Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we are going to be talking about the Erection Cream by the Boners collection. So let's get started. So this is the Erection Cream itself. Now this Erection Cream comes in 100 millilitres and the special ingredients of the Boners Erection Cream help maintain your erection. By regularly massaging your penis with the cream, your skin tissue becomes softer and for more stimulation, and the blood flow inside the penis is stimulated too. It will take less time for your penis to become hard and your erection will last longer. To apply, simply pop open the cap like so, very simple and easy to use. Squeeze out a small amount, like so. It's a white cream. Make sure to close the cap so the liquid does not dry out. And simply massage it into your penis. And wait for your skin to absorb the cream completely before having sex as well. It feels very, very soft and smooth when applying. And as mentioned, make sure it's completely dry before having sex. And that is the Erection Cream by the Boners collection. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you again next time.